Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a great day. My name is Jocelyn White and I'm the Global Operations Director for Second Chance. And I really just wanted to bring you guys an update and let you know how your generosity is making a big impact in Haiti and beyond. And so first, I just wanted to give you an update on the state of Haiti. Several weeks ago, I had shared that there was a lot of political changes happening. President Moses, he has made it clear that he is not planning on stepping down. He was supposed to do that on February 7th. However, because he has not had the opportunity to fulfill his full 5 years that a president in Haiti should get, he said that he plans on staying in office for another year until he does fulfill those 5 years. And so, of course, with that, you have the opposition who is very angry, and that can lead to a lot of protests. Over the past 2 years, we've seen just so much instability in Haiti. A lot of times people have protests, and they're very valid reasons that people in Haiti are very upset, but they turn very violent. And so we were highly concerned that Haiti would just pretty much be shutting down right now. I'm so thankful to report that it really has not been as bad as anticipated. And so the kids did stay home from school for 2 weeks. However, they are back at school. Our families are able to work and things are functioning as normal as they typically do. I will ask you to pray about a specific situation that is on the rise in Haiti. We have definitely seen a large increase in kidnappings, and this is from a lot of gang activity that is going on. And so just pray for our families, pray for the children that go to school every day. It doesn't seem like there's necessarily a specific profile of the people that are being kidnapped and held for ransom. And so I know that all of our families and those we serve could just really use some extra peace right now through this time. You may have seen in the news, but last week there was a very large prison jailbreak in Haiti. It's in Croix-des-Bouquets, which just so happens to be the same city that most of our ministry takes place. They are estimating between 300 to 400 prisoners did escape. They don't have concrete numbers of what that looks like, but I'm really thankful because one of those men that did escape has been one of the most wanted men in Haiti for 2 years. He is a very, very powerful gang leader. And so thankfully, they were able to recapture him, and he is not going to be a concern anymore. And so that is a blessing in the midst of all the craziness that is going on regarding that situation. And so definitely just continue to pray that the Lord will just protect and keep all of our families safe and sound. So I also wanted to give you an update on our medical clinic, our medical facility. As I'm sure you know, at the end of last year, we were raising money to build a medical clinic. Our clinic was going to provide basic medical care for a local community that we serve in. Well, there are 3 stages or 3 levels, you could say, of medical facilities in Haiti. So the first is a medical clinic, then you have a medical center, and then you have a hospital. The medical clinic is very basic medical care. The medical center provides, they can fix broken bones, they can do, simple surgeries. It's just a higher level of care. And then you have the hospital. Well, we are so blessed that the Lord is just expanding what our impact is going to be, because rather than filing to become a medical clinic, we are now able to become a licensed medical center, which is a huge blessing. It just means better quality care for all of those that are going to be walking through our doors, which also includes all of the children in our programs that we serve. And so we already have our pharmaceutical license. And if you would just be praying for an expedited medical center license, that would be great. And so right now we're in the process of filing for that. Things are a little bit slower and a little bit more complicated because of the political situation in Haiti, but we serve a big God, and so we are just praying that He moves that along very quickly. But we're super excited about the just developments that God is opening and all the doors that He's opening for us through that. And so with that, I just want to let you know about your impact that you had last month. Last month, because of your generosity, we were able to serve over 12,000 meals to families and children in our program. We have 11 people on full salaried staff in Haiti, which is an incredible blessing because we know, you've heard us talk about it before, the job situation is just something that impacts everyone in Haiti, which is the main reason why people struggle the way they do. And so we're super thankful for all of those employees that we are able to have with us. We were able to create 7 extra job opportunities, which is great for those families. We were able to send over 110 kids, ensure that all of their education needs were met. That also goes along with the teachers' salaries and just ensuring that those kids have the access to education. We also enrolled 4 new kids this past month, and so they're super excited. Those kids have actually not been in school for about 2 years because of their family situation, and so they were elated to hear that that Second Chance family was able to support them through that, and so the family is very, very thankful. We were also able to meet the basic medical needs of 2 people in our programs, which is a blessing. And we also, I don't want to forget, and we have life skills workshops that we have started with over 75 kids in our orphanages. This is so vital. This is so important. We know that kids that are being raised in an orphanage have a lot of trauma. They have a lot of unmet needs being raised in that situation. And so we are able to bring in a mental health worker and a social worker and ensure that those needs are being met. And so I just ask that she has a tough job. And so I want to ask that you continue to pray, or that you will pray for our social worker and our mental health facilitator, as well as our life skills teachers, because we know that these people are putting in the really, really hard work, being there, trying to equip these kids and just help them get to a much better place mentally and just physically. And so with that, I hope you guys have a great day. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Love to chat with you, and just want to say thank you so much for continuing to push the needle forward and just increase our impact. It is truly a blessing, and we couldn't do it without you. All right, have a great day.